Hello, future investors. Do you dream of understanding the intricacies of investment world and learning how to manage your finances wisely? I offer you a unique opportunity to take my economics course, designed for beginners, covering all aspects of investing, from basic concepts to advanced options trading strategies. My name is Yanis Rubis, and I am an experienced options trader with 5 years of experience in option trading. I manage a portfolio worth over $100,000, and I'm ready to share my knowledge and experience with you so that you can successfully invest and achieve your financial goals. In this course, you will learn the basics of investing and how to apply them in practice, how to create and adhere to an effective financial plan, diversification strategies to minimize risks and increase returns, how the securities markets works and how to choose stocks and bonds for your portfolio, the basics of trading options and futures, developing strategies and using these instruments, effective personal finance management and achieving financial independence. Minimal knowledge of economics is required to take the course. My course is designed to help you confidently navigate the path of any investors, regardless of your initial knowledge level. I believe that with my experience and your eagerness to learn, you can achieve significant success in the world of investments. Join the course and start your journey to financial freedom today. I wish you luck and inspiration on this path.